the two of us lately. I wonder why you always call me up lately. At the end of the night, only to be your tongue in the back of your mind and the hollow of your bones. They only kick it when we're faded. Even though you break me down, I love it when you come around. Blame your parents for the way you carry yourself. No, you don't see it now, but I'm the best thing you look down now. Blame you, Katie, for the way that you made me. Blame you, Katie. Blame you, Katie, for the way that you made me. Well, I've been thinking about us too much lately. It's probably why I keep on waking up anger. You really fuck with my vibes. You keep shining your spotlight on the dark side of my soul. Wanna send you the feels, but you can't feel what you don't know. Even though you break me down, I love it when you come around. Blame your parents for the way you carry yourself. No, you don't see it now, but I'm the best thing you look down now. Blame you, Katie, for the way that you made me. Blame you, Katie. Get it. Blame you, Katie. Don't stop now, you feel left out, and then you get back up. She let you down again. Don't let it get to your heart. Don't let it get to your heart. Stop now, you feel left out, and when you get let go, she let you down again. Don't let it get to your heart. Don't let it get to your heart. Even though you break me down, I love it when you come around. Blame your parents for the way you care.